Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, front-wheel drive, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Your new ride is just a phone call away.